This is a big part of the discussion that's been going on in Westminster, as well as the rest of the country, is how fit is our health service to cope with extra demand? What do we need to do to get it into shape? How do we get it to a place where this law can not only be passed but actually be implemented in a way that doesn't cause extra sort of pressures and political pressures? Because I suppose for you, Fran, the more pressure an NHS is under, the more political this issue gets, and the sort of harder it is in terms of your campaigning to speak to the principal point. So how do you at Dignity in Dying see where the Welsh NHS is, where it might need to get to, and sort of how ready it might be for this? And are you engaging with the health minister on this very topic? Are you sort of having that or wanting to have that discussion to say, look, here is essentially what needs to happen in order for you to be ready for this, should it pass muster in the Lords?
I think because of the stage where we're at, I think there's an element of cart before horse. You can't
Mm.
start planning to implement a law that hasn't actually been passed royal assent yet, and we don't know exactly the final tweaks, the final version of what the law will look like. So I don't think NHS resources have been put aside yet, for example, to work that out. But there's also factored into the bill is an implementation period. So it's not like the bill gets royal assent and you won't be able to access assisted dying from day one. There will be a period probably of at least a couple of years where all of those implementation and set up services and training and guidance and regulations are all put down. And that's the key point where we'll be having more of those sort of detailed conversations.